ready to turn your crypto investments into a gold mine? Look no further. In today's video, we've got the ultimate guide for you. Welcome to Maximize Your Profits, tips and tricks for trading on our crypto exchange. I'm your name, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Before we dive into the advanced strategies, let's ensure we're on the same page. Understanding the basics of crypto trading is crucial. If you're new to the game, don't worry, we've got you covered. Identifying market trends is like having a treasure map. Learn to distinguish between bullish and bearish trends, and you'll be ahead of the curve. Risk is part of the game, but smart traders know how to manage it. We'll walk you through essential risk management strategies to protect your investments. Now that we've covered the basics, let's elevate your trading skills with some advanced strategies. Get ready to supercharge your profits. Day trading is an art. We'll unveil the techniques that successful day traders use to capitalize on short-term market movements. If you prefer a more laid-back approach, swing trading might be your style. Discover effective strategies to catch those profitable market swings. Now that you're armed with knowledge, let's explore the unique features of our crypto exchange that will take your trading to the next level. Navigating through our user-friendly interface is a breeze. We'll show you how to make the most of every feature. Our exchange is equipped with state-of-the-art tools. Learn how to leverage these tools to execute trades with precision. To make informed decisions, you need to understand the crypto landscape. Let's delve into the art of cryptocurrency analysis. Dig deep into the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies. We'll show you how to analyze factors that impact their value. Unlock the power of technical analysis. Discover the charts and indicators that will guide your trading decisions. No successful trader is without a plan for risk mitigation. Let's explore some advanced strategies to safeguard your investments. Diversify your investments to spread risk. We'll guide you on creating a well-balanced and resilient portfolio. Volatility is inevitable in the crypto market. Learn how to use hedging strategies to protect your investments from sudden market swings. The mind plays a crucial role in trading success. In this section, we'll explore the psychology behind successful trading. Master your emotions for better decision-making. Discover techniques to maintain composure during both highs and lows. Develop a mindset geared for success. We'll provide insights and inspiration to keep you focused on your trading goals. Social media isn't just for memes, it's a goldmine of trading insights. Let's explore how you can use platforms like Twitter and Reddit to your advantage. Learn from the best in the business. We'll guide you on identifying and following key influencers for valuable market insights. Communities are a treasure trove of information. Discover how to navigate discussions for valuable trading intel. The crypto space is ever-evolving, and so are the opportunities. Let's explore the world of initial coin offerings, ICOs, and new projects. Venture into the realm of ICOs with confidence. We'll share strategies to evaluate and invest in promising projects. Don't miss out on the next big thing. Learn how to conduct thorough research to identify and invest in promising new projects. Let's talk taxes. Understanding the tax implications of your crypto trades is crucial. We'll break down everything you need to know. Don't let taxes catch you off guard. Learn the essentials of reporting your crypto transactions to stay on the right side of the law. When in doubt, seek professional advice. We'll guide you on finding the right experts to ensure your tax compliance. Knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. Let's explore effective ways to stay informed with market news. Stay ahead of the curve with news aggregator tools. We'll introduce you to platforms that deliver real-time market updates. Understand the impact of news on market prices. We'll guide you on analyzing news for strategic decision-making. For those looking beyond quick gains, building a long-term investment portfolio is key. Let's explore the strategies to create a robust and enduring crypto portfolio. Discover how to identify coins with long-term potential. We'll provide criteria to help you build a portfolio that stands the test of time. Markets evolve, and so should your portfolio. Learn how to adjust your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. The regulatory landscape in the crypto world is ever-changing. Stay ahead of the game by understanding and navigating regulatory changes. Get a bird's-eye view of the global regulatory landscape. We'll provide insights to help you navigate the maze of regulations. Local regulations matter. Learn how to adapt your trading strategies to comply with the specific regulations in your region. Technology is a game-changer in crypto trading. Explore the world of automated trading bots and how they can streamline your trading experience. Save time and make smarter trades with automated trading. We'll walk you through the benefits of incorporating bots into your strategy. Not all bots are created equal. Learn how to choose the right trading bot that aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. The crypto market is not immune to manipulation. Arm yourself with the knowledge to identify and protect against market manipulation. Knowledge is your best defense. We'll expose common manipulation techniques so you can trade with confidence. Be a vigilant trader. Learn how and where to report suspicious activities to contribute to a safer trading environment. Let's gaze into the crystal ball and explore the future trends in crypto trading. Stay ahead of the curve by anticipating the next big shifts in the market. The future is now. Discover emerging technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the crypto landscape. Flexibility is key. Learn how to adapt your trading strategies to the changing dynamics of the crypto market. Phew, that was quite the journey through the world of crypto trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, the crypto market is a dynamic and ever-evolving space. Stay informed, stay sharp, and most importantly, happy trading. Signing off.